In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Gemini API in Google AI Studio in 2026. If you want to use Gemini inside your own website, application, or software project, connecting the API is an important step. In this guide, I'll explain the basic process using a PC or laptop. First, open your web browser and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with the Google account you want to use for your development project. Once you're inside Google AI Studio, open the API or developer-related section. Depending on the current interface, you may see options for API keys, projects, or getting code for your selected Gemini model. Before connecting the API, make sure you understand which Gemini model you want to use. Model names, availability, and capabilities can change, so choose from the options currently available in your account. Next, create or select the appropriate API key. If Google asks you to connect a Google Cloud project, follow the instructions on the screen. Once your API key is available, copy it and store it securely. This part is extremely important. Never put your API key directly into a public website, public GitHub repository, tutorial screenshot, or any other location where someone else could access it. For a local development project, a safer approach is to store the key in an environment variable or another secure secrets management system. Now open your preferred coding environment and install the appropriate Google AI SDK or use the supported API method for your programming language. Create a simple test request first. Send a basic prompt to Gemini and check whether your application receives a response. If the request works, your API connection is ready for further development. You can then build more advanced features, such as AI chatbots, content generators, summarization tools, coding assistants, or other Gemini-powered applications.